Welcome to today's video where we're diving into 31 mind-blowing mobile business ideas that will have you hitting the road and bringing services directly to your customers. Imagine running your own food truck serving gourmet delights, a mobile pet grooming service pampering pets right at their doorsteps, or even a trendy fashion boutique on wheels. These unique business concepts are not just profitable, but also super flexible and exciting. If you've ever dreamed of breaking free from the usual office grind and making your business mobile, this is your ultimate guide to get started. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated on all our latest content. Let's get started and find your perfect mobile business idea. 1. Mobile car wash and detailing. Offer on-the-go car cleaning and detailing services at customers' homes or offices. 2. Food truck. Serve unique or gourmet foods from a mobile kitchen. Popular choices include tacos, barbecue, coffee, and desserts. 3. Mobile pet grooming. Provide grooming services like baths, haircuts, and nail trims directly at clients' homes. 4. Mobile bike repair. Fix bicycles on site for commuters, cyclists, or events, offering convenience and speedy service. 5. Mobile barbershop or salon. Bring haircuts, styling, and grooming services to customers' doorsteps, ideal for busy professionals. 6. Mobile massage therapy. Offer relaxation and therapeutic massages at clients' locations, perfect for home visits or corporate wellness programs. 7. Mobile coffee cart. Set up a coffee cart at busy locations, events, or office buildings, serving fresh coffee and pastries. 8. Mobile personal training. Provide fitness training sessions at clients' homes, parks, or community centers, tailored to their specific needs. 9. Mobile auto repair. Perform basic car maintenance and minor repairs at customers' locations, like oil changes, brake checks, or battery replacements. 10. Mobile ice cream truck. Sell ice cream, frozen treats, or specialty desserts at parks, neighborhoods, and local events. 11. Mobile photo booth. Set up at parties, weddings, or corporate events, offering guests instant photo souvenirs. 12. Mobile bookstore or library. Travel to neighborhoods, schools, or community centers with a curated selection of books, encouraging reading on the go. 13. Mobile electronics repair. Fix smartphones, tablets, and laptops directly at customers' homes or workplaces. 14. Mobile nail salon. Provide manicures, pedicures, and other nail services at clients' locations for a personalized pampering experience. 15. Mobile dog training. Train pets in their own environments, helping owners correct behavioral issues or teach new skills. 16. Mobile floral business. Sell fresh flowers or create custom arrangements on the go, ideal for markets, events, or special deliveries. 17. Mobile catering service. Provide catering directly at events or private functions with a mobile kitchen setup. 18. Mobile yard cleanup. Offer garden and lawn maintenance, like mowing, trimming, or seasonal cleanups, directly at customers' homes. 19. Mobile shoe repair and shine. Fix and shine shoes on site, targeting office buildings, events, or busy urban areas. 20. Mobile art classes. Teach art, crafts, or DIY projects in mobile studios or directly at schools, community centers, or private parties. 21. Mobile fashion boutique. Travel to different locations with a fully stocked boutique on wheels, offering unique clothing and accessories directly to fashion-conscious customers. 22. Mobile billboard trucks. Use trucks with digital or printed billboards to advertise for businesses on the move, capturing attention in high-traffic areas. 23. Mobile event planning service. Plan and manage events from a mobile office, bringing everything needed directly to clients, from decor samples to on-site coordination. 24. Mobile gaming arcade. Set up a mobile gaming station with video games, VR experiences, or classic arcade games for parties, events, or corporate gatherings. 25. Mobile farmers market. Bring fresh produce, organic products, and artisan goods directly to neighborhoods, office parks, or community events in a mobile market setup. 26. Mobile art gallery. Display and sell artwork on the go. Setting up a traveling gallery that reaches art lovers at pop-up events, festivals, and community gatherings. 27. Mobile DIY craft studio. Bring a crafting studio to customers, offering workshops in pottery, painting, jewelry making, or other creative crafts at events or private parties. 28. Mobile VR entertainment experience. provide virtual reality gaming experiences or training at parties, events, or even corporate team building sessions. 29. Mobile Vintage Shop. Curate and sell vintage clothing, accessories, or home decor from a stylishly retro van, targeting vintage lovers at markets and pop-up events. 30. Mobile Custom Tailoring and Alterations. Provide bespoke tailoring, fittings, and alterations directly at clients' homes or offices for ultimate convenience. 31. Mobile Dance Studio. Bring dance classes to communities, offering lessons in ballet, hip-hop, salsa, or other styles for children, adults, or special events. Thanks for watching. If you found these mobile business ideas inspiring, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and guides on starting your dream business. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Which mobile business idea did you like the most? Let us know in the comments below. See you in the next video.